Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Google and begin with a tightly focused query. You want precision, not broad browsing. Type the agency or program name plus the exact job title and ad site. Gov to limit results to official postings. Once done, append pay grade or classification like GS11 or a pay band to filter relevance. Make sure to include location in quotes for exact matches or add remote when applicable. These first steps stop irrelevant listings and surface official vacancy announcements immediately. Now refine results using Google's advanced operators to find formal announcements and downloadables. Use quotes for exact phrases or slash and in parentheses to combine titles or agencies, and file type, PDF to catch posted job announcements and vacancy notices. Make use of search tools, filter by recent timeframes to see active openings, and lock the location to your target area. Finally, set a Google alert for your exact query so you receive new listings automatically. This saves time and finish by following posting instructions exactly and submitting before the deadline. Government portals often reject incomplete packets. Save the announcement, note required documents and format, PDF, docx, and tailor your resume to the stated KSAs so reviewers see fit immediately. After submission, record confirmation numbers and set calendar reminders for follow-up. If searches return nothing, broaden keywords, remove site. Filters, try simpler synonyms, or search your state and county job portals. That usually uncovers mislistings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.